Hello, good and wonderful people. Welcome back again. It's your girl, AB World Entertainment. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depends on the time you guys are watching me from. How is everyone doing? I hope you all are doing great. Today, we want to talk about the richest man in Africa and about cement, the price of cement for inside Ogbonge Nigeria. Now the matter we want to run this evening, my people. Happy weekend to you all. How is everyone enjoying this weekend? Man, it's so good. I hope you all are having a wonderful weekend out there. Okay, oh my people. Now sister AB World Entertainment. Don't work out, come outside again. Today I want to talk about the richest man in Africa, Mr. Dangote Aliu, Abi Alinko. Now we want to talk about. My people, my people. Make we quick talk about the richest man in Africa as a whole, the richest black man in Africa, in the whole world. They say Dangote na can reach pass, but I ain't make money. Now we want to talk about my country people. When we dey grow dey come, cement money na about 300 naira. That time, one room cheap. You go see one room for 1,000, 1,500. But now only Lagos that time na house for the year. Port Harcourt, Abuja. But now for place like Benin, house don't even dare pass any other area, even for village now sef, because the money wey we dey take dey buy cement nowadays no be in. Few years ago they say bag of cement na about 2,600. E come run. As I dey talk to una so cement na 4,900. They will come give you 100 naira change. You supposed to even dash them. Say me they go dash the richest man. Me add and join the account me for the boom boom. My people. Nigeria government, I don't know what in the sup for inside that our country. How can una give license to only one person for the whole Nigeria? Me in the supply only cement, only in one. I no go reach. I only in one no go reach. Spaghetti na the man the supply. Very soon na kerosene I go the supply. Wow, my people. What is the way forward? Everybody dey present the richest man, the richest man, the richest. I no go reach. When only in one in the supply everything wey dey inside that Nigeria, my people. So it's supposed to reach past the one way even reach now. You understand? Dangote is supposed to even reach past that one. This thing when Africans they do, when Nigerians they do, it's not good. How can you give license to only one person? Me, you only want to supply everything. Sugar, na Mr. Dangote. Salt, na Mr. Dangote. Spaghetti, na Mr. Dangote. Cement, na Mr. Dangote. Abba. It's too much. It's not good at all. How other people want to reach? How another people want to make can? Who want come fish challenger? When only you want they everything for inside that Nigeria. What is the way forward, Africa? What is the way forward? Why be saying now only the rich they get rich, while the poor they get poorer every blessed day? Why? Why it be saying now only the rich they get richer, while the poor they get poorer every day? What is the way forward, my people? What is the way forward? It's not good. How can you draw cement? The more cement they high, the more landlords they remember a tenant, and the countryside hard now. Countryside hard. Everywhere get as it be now. If you want even high cement, now this time of a pandemic, now you want to high your products. Now I tell like Oibo. Inside this pandemic, all their things still remain the same. They know they high, and Christmas now they come in they high property. You understand? New Year no go come make dem high property, pandemic no go come make dem high property, but for Africa, no. Na the very time wey dem want a high property be that one. Bag of cement. That means poor man no fit build house for that Nigeria again. Now una take am mean. Poor man no fit build house again, or poor man no fit rent house again for inside that Africa. My people, wagbere hivo. Gbere hivo. Me, I believe say no be only Dangote na he get access to this selling of a product alone. I sure say other government, all this senator, this and senator that get share for inside, because only Dangote no go fit just get everything. Una no fit just give only in one license. May only one just they sell everything. Only one they manufacture everything. They come down Nigeria. How the country want to move forward? How the country want to move forward, my people? Cement price must go down. Nigeria President Muhammadu Buhari. I know say the one where they call you for, you know here. Talk less of say the one where they not call you. I beg, come hear this one. Where AB Word Entertainment they talk. May you reduce the price of cement. Tell Dangote, your brother, may reduce them. Because I don't see where only Oyibo person, only you want go they import only Pampers, only one go they import sugar, only one they get the license to import water. Oyibo still they buy things come from Africa. They come here. Once you are capable of selling, you have the license, you have all the papers that they ask you for. You go fit do the business. So far you are paying tax. Now so both they do their own, but Africa whether Dangote even they pay 15% tax for this business, now only God know. Because I don't know why they will just give only one the license to take sell cement, sell sugar, sell spaghetti, sell rice, sell salt. This thing not good though. It not good. Imagine all a trailer. They back people up and down. Nothing where in they do. You know they compensate anything. Road, at least you are the richest person. Where when they carry all this money, they go. I know say now your weight, now you suffer put. But if they give another people opportunity, they will still reach. I don't get anything against you are the richest person against your weight too. What I get problem with? May you reduce the price of cement. How can you go put cement for 4,500? 4,900 for bag of cement. How people want to build house? How people want to make una still they think about the masses, the poor masses, my people. Make una see the reason our own journey una own. Make una see the reason our own journey una own. It's not good. Only one person for inside that Nigeria. They import only these things. And the president, the richest man in Africa, how you not go rich? How your pikin no go poof when you they only your pikin they shop the food where they the whole house. Your mate pikin not they shop because say mama not there again. Tell me why he no go rich. Just tell me. I beg President Muhammadu Buhari, Vice President Yomi Obasa, the other now Obasanjo, you be Yomi what did they call Nigeria President again, the Vice President Osibanjo. I beg make una look into this matter. Make una pity the masses. Make una see get God fear. Make una see feel for this masses. Say them be people like you, me human be like una. They not be good. The price of this cement must go down. Buhari, this thing what they do. I know say all of una get share for inside this business, so because nobody go just wake up one day your dash person, only you want get license. No. Me, I dey buy something all the way from China. They come for this country when I dey for here. As far as say I fit pay the tax and everything, you understand? I dey order things from online, different countries. If you order from Holland, Swiss, London, Holland. If you want buy Hollandis, you fit order. They go bring and come for you. You go the warehouse. So far the task, if the task come, you go fit meet up with the task. Now so it be, my people. Don't be say only you want go you get access. People want to reach. How people want to make am. Now only you want this Nigeria. No, not be only you want. Not be only you want, my brother. Make you still talk to the government. Say you don't want this kind of thing, because we need the reason make parable say Mr. Dangote. Nigeria people are poor. Because of your riches, Nigeria people are poor because meaning if only one person get money for village, na poverty, because everybody will be running to you. If you teach people how to fish, nobody will bother you. You understand? Nobody will bother, not you giving to people. The price of cement too cost. It too cost, because as the cement they cost, now so landlord they add money join their house rent. They don't care what that country had, because Dangote no care what that country had. Make una see the fee for us. We dey beg una. We use Almighty God to beg una. Make una bring everything down to the way it be before. Before una know, and Dangote will come the supply kerosene. Will come the supply fuel. Hey, my people, we need to protest against this something, no, because it's getting out of hand. Bad government, bad leaders, bad police, corrupt police. Now consider Dangote hand. So all the driver wey give key to me, they use the truck. All those agbe drunker. Now for Benin, that they protest say, if you not bring down the price of cement, no more Dangote trailer in Edo State. I stand by there. I stand by them. Mr. Dangote, do something. You get money, not before mouth. Do something. Now, nobody they drag the price with you now. Not be said una many way they supply Nigeria the cement. So why only you want come the higher? If una many now say, I want me I quick go market, or I want me my product quick finish you, now you go say, now make you the high the price. But now only you want the business. Now only you want the road. Why they run? Now only you want the drive, they go for express. Where you they run, they go. So if you drive, kule. Now only you want the important. I bet bring them down. They don't give license to any other person. Now only you want. Now they give the bad government what we get for Nigeria. Bag of cement, 4,900. Nigeria is gone. Nigeria odabo. Nigeria odaro. Nigeria na odabo. My people, I not to get what I want to talk for here. I beg, if today happens to be the very first time, as I always talk on, the shout on. When you watch this video, or you fail to watch, you never subscribe. I beg me use this opportunity to subscribe. Leave comment for me for comment section. If waiting Nigeria government they do, say they give only one person for the whole Nigeria license to sell all this kind of thing. If it good, they could not leave comments for me. And if you never fail subscribe, may use opportunity to subscribe. To my new subscriber, you all are welcome. My returning subscriber, thank you very much, and God bless you. May all of una build house for that Nigeria, and also buy house for obodo ibo where una dey, because here we can hear. Oh wow. God bless you all. Happy weekend. See you guys in my next video. And remain your humble sister, AB World Entertainment. Please help me to share this video. Let it go viral. God bless everyone. Choose.